On March 1, 1999, the U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, recorded a mysterious sound named Julia. It was loud enough to be heard over the entire equatorial Pacific Ocean autonomous hydrophone array. It roughly lasted only for 15 seconds and is likely to have originated in the area between Bransfield Straits and Cape Adare. Although there are many debates about the origin of the sound, NOAA suspect that Julia was most likely caused by a large iceberg that had run aground somewhere off of Antarctica. Let's listen. What do you guys think?